Can you get me a Looney Tunes Bugs Bunny barrel banana peel?
Firing in 3, 2, 1.
It's perfect. I can see it from here.
That's going on the wall.
Yes.
That has to.
On today's episode of Ballistic High Speed, we are revisiting det cord down the barrel of firearms. Last time we did a shotgun, we went a little overboard. And we basically, what was that word?
Eviscerated.
Eviscerated it.
We converted it to gas.
Yes.
What?
So this time we have much thicker walls on it, and our buddy Jake from Ordnance Lab, can you get me a Looney Tunes Bugs Bunny barrel banana peel?
We could definitely try. We have plenty of det cord to work with. As always, we start small and work our way up.
I see a whole reel over there. I know we've got plenty to use.
Yeah, we got tons, and we have some other stuff we can definitely use if that doesn't work.
Stick around and see how we do this.
Welcome back to Ballistic High Speed.
The det cord is going to go this way.
Correct.
But first, shock tube's going to come this way for fun.
Yeah, I mean, it looks good on camera.
And that won't have any effect on what our split could be, right?
None whatsoever.
Cool.
Eventually it'll get to this blasting cap right here, right? In which it'll attach to the det cord. It'll explode, setting off the det cord. The explosion will occur down the barrel. And we might get some damage to it. Maybe not, I doubt it. This is a pretty thick barrel.
I'm guessing it takes 3.
I'm gonna say that, yeah, I say that you're probably right.
I love when we get to do det cord episodes. All right, let's wrap this thing.
We should have just put it on its end and just spun it. Place your comments below. How many strands of det cord at once will it take to break this apart?
See, we didn't ask for comments. We already made our wagers though.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
We say it's 3.
I say 4.
4? We both went 3.
I think 3 will disfigure it, and 4 is what it's gonna take to...
Nolan?
I'm gonna say 5 because I'm gonna be a contrarian to you.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's always one. It's always one.
It's gonna happen in less than a millisecond, but it'll last a while in high speed.
It's not a flame front, it's a shockwave that's setting it off, so.
Right, that's why it's very supersonic.
Whoop, 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 whoop. I feel like there's a better way to do that.
There's a stick to it. I don't have it.
Ah,
And I didn't bring the other
stick.
All right, right there is good.
High speed's ready.
Everybody ready?
Everybody ready.
All right, first strand of det cord, firing in 3, 2, 1.
Still there?
Yep.
Okay. $50,000 frames a second.
50,000.
Here's our shock tube. Oh, that's so cool. Oh yeah.
Got like nothing.
soot.
Very dirty.
Bunch of carbon buildup in there.
Like that clean stuff, I think that's PETN, and then this is dirt.
Yeah.
I think it shoved all of the inside of the barrel remnants from shooting out the...
So we were just cleaning the fire.
Yeah, we cleaned it really well. Almost 400,000 frames a second. That's so cool. Forbidden candy cane. We definitely need to go all the way to 3, I think.
Yeah.
Because doubling that, I just don't see it doing much more.
Okay. Well, one of my indicators on its destructive factor was going to be if it started splitting some of the different brakes here.
It's a lot of meat in there. I mean, it's still, designed to take a lot of pressure from the 50 cal, and that det cord, a lot of that force is just going everywhere else.
Well, that's about what we thought. Do we do 2 or do we just go straight to 3?
I would go straight to 3. Yeah, after 3, if that doesn't do, then we upgrade to the, the big boy stuff.
Maybe braid 3 of them together and feed it down there.
So, looks like nothing happened?
Now, got a little dirty.
Yeah. It looks like it chipped off some of the tip of the barrel, but that's about it.
I say we go right to 3.
3?
Yeah, 2 ain't gonna do anything to it.
Because 2 times 0 is still 0?
Yeah.
So 3 times 0 is maybe more?
And 3 is what we did down the shotgun.
And that eviscerated it.
Yeah, so if we braid that, it will be what we put down the shotgun, except this is a longer barrel. But
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, let's do 3. Let's braid it up and just do that.
Have we confirmed this fits? Okay.
With enough force, I can make it fit.
All right.
Probably should have done that. But that's all right.
Maybe just stick that in there real quick. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to do 4. It'll be close. Oh man. You gotta get past the, I'm not saying that, that's bad.
I know.
We may not be able to do 4.
No.
We're not gonna have to. I'm telling you, 3's gonna pop this thing. Okay, well, you got the swirly cue that you love. 3 strands, braided up.
Yep.
We didn't do the swirl on the 12 gauge, but this is exactly what we did to the 12 gauge in the previous episode.
Except this barely fits down the barrel, which actually might help with pressure building.
Yeah.
Also, it took us like 20 minutes to get this down the barrel. I don't think we can fit 4. So if this doesn't blow up, we're gonna have to refer to Jake to do
He
something
said
else.
he has ways,
Ways.
so, and not the GPS app.
All right, we're done.
All right, 3 strands detonating. Firing in 3, 2, 1. Woo!
I didn't see anything go up.
See anything go anywhere?
The 50's gone, so that's a thing.
Did it launch?
Let's get those saved and let's go find it, I guess.
Is it just on the ground?
No.
No. Where'd it go?
Oh, there it is. Oh, and there it is too.
Okay, well.
Oh. Well, that was not something I anticipated. Man, that's a thick barrel. You think they'd give me a new one? It's like, hey, I got the old barrel off. I just need a new one. It's like, I don't know what's going on here.
It's a little warped.
There's your problem. I'll tell you what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it. Yeah, we'll put her on the lathe, straighten her back out.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This didn't even bulge.
It's bent.
Yeah, it's warped.
Yes, it is. Interesting. Whoa. Whoa.
All right, there's like 3 different things going on there.
Look how fast that piece slammed into the earth.
So we actually broke some stuff off.
Oh yeah. I feel like if we could have fit a 4th strand in there, that might have done it. Wow.
You can see how fast the deck cord went through. Like it took much slower for the shock
Yeah.
tube than the deck cord.
This billow of smoke right here, this shockwave shoves it away from it.
Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool.
That just shows you how much faster than the speed of sound deck cord is, where it takes a while for the shockwave to actually get there. Man,
So
it's like a little
slow.
glowworm.
And yet it's still pretty fast when it goes.
I feel like the speed of that, if we were blowing up the tube, we would have seen it.
Oh yeah, that'd have been sweet. Well, we
Wow.
very well may see that here in
I hope so.
about 5 minutes. If you're into explosives, you're probably also into firearms and tactical gear, which is why I want to tell you about the most useful box you can get, Tac Pack. Tac Pack is a monthly subscription box that comes packed full of high-end tactical gear. So if you're into firearms, you can get things to fix your firearm, whether that's working on it or upgrading it with various hand guards, pistol grips, charging handles. There's also stuff to use outside of things that are on the weapon. You get laser range finders. They have all sorts of awesome t-shirts and stickers. They come in 2-tier subscriptions. You have your standard box with a typical value of $90 to $120, or you can go to the Tac Pack Plus and it's worth $240 to $300. But the cool part is, if you're a new subscriber to Tac Pack, they gave us a code, High Speed. If you sign up with our code High Speed, you get a free $60 box inside your first shipped Tac Pack. So there's a lot of subscription boxes out there, but if you want one where you will actually use the items on the daily, Tac Pack is the way to go. Don't forget the coupon code. Back to the High Speed.
But watch the shockwave on the ground kick up all the dust.
Oh yeah.
I mean, I should have known a 50 cal barrel would be difficult to destroy. This is pretty challenging.
I really thought that was gonna
This is harder to destroy than the tungsten cube. It's taken more tries.
We aren't using shape drill.
Go watch that episode.
Can you guys still break that?
I'm gonna fence it here. Like, we can do high explosives. What we could do is put some plastic explosives in here to try to breach the barrel.
I mean, all we did was shear 2 bolts.
At this point, we're just gonna make a fragmentation pipe bomb. Now I'm actually mildly worried about cameras.
We could lightly pack it so that we get a burst.
Well, see, we say that and then it'll do nothing again. I feel like once you hit the threshold, it's either all or nothing, you know what I mean?
Your cameras, you tell me.
I'd be happy with the first foot or so packed. This might explode outward, this might peel open, we might get some fragmentation. But
It'd be kind of cool if we sheared the muzzle brake off.
I think that'll be a more interesting result than the whole thing just doing what the shotgun did.
The whole thing.
Right. Can you pack this and get det cord to come into there to initiate it? And if that doesn't destroy it, then we're just...
And that's more than 3 strands of...
Oh yeah, a handful of plastic explosive and that whole area is gonna be way more effective because all force is gonna be down there.
Plastic explosives are hotter, they combust faster, and it'll be much more compacted into that small area, and now we don't have to worry about it shearing off of the lower receiver. So all of the action should happen right there in the tip. And that also makes me wonder if Bryce can zoom in even closer and we can see, as the materials actually start to separate, we might actually be able to see it. So that could be kind of cool.
What I might have to do is like slug it in there into segments.
Just jam it in with the rod.
Does it get sympathetic detonation?
Oh yeah, easily. Yeah, it's warped, so I can't. Yep. Well,
Whoops.
You gonna eat that?
Hey, fear factor time. Get scared.
Factor time.
we stuffed the front end here with some plastic explosives, some data sheet, which is basically Semtex, but you know, with a fancier name.
Forbidden Play-Doh.
Forbidden Play-Doh, spicy Play-Dohs, and then we have a little bit of det cord to set it off.
In terms of mass comparison, PETN det cord versus the same amount of that plastic.
There's way more
stronger?
Yeah, there's way more explosive density
cool.
here than the det cord.
That's what we need to know.
Just let her rip.
Yeah, it'll peel, frag, or something. If not, it'll launch the barrel into oblivion.
There is Oblivion right over there.
There is Oblivion, I can see
Yeah,
it.
we've lost a lot of stuff that way. And
All right, well, we'll let you run your electrical stuff. We'll get high speed ready, and hopefully this is the finale.
hopefully.
Yeah, high speed's ready.
All right, circuit is good. Everybody ready?
Yep, good.
Plastic explosive explosion. Firing in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, that sounded wild.
It's perfect. I can see it from here.
That's going on the wall.
Yes.
That has to.
That is some Bugs
Yes.
Bunny stuff if I've ever seen it.
Oh my gosh.
I love it so much.
That's exactly what we wanted. Whoa.
I know my stuff.
Yeah. Look at that.
Look at these stress marks from other spots that it wanted to.
Oh, it knocked it loose, yeah.
Oh, yeah. There's a muzzle brake somewhere.
I bet that
'cause there's
was-
the threads for it.
That went,
That might have gone.
yeah, it's probably launched. I'm gonna be
Yeah, we
honest
probably
with
have to look at the high speed for that.
Here we go. I'm gonna pay attention to the muzzle brake, see where it goes.
you. Oh, no, it got disintegrated.
No.
Oh,
there it
no.
is. It didn't even go up.
Pretty straight line.
We might be able to find that.
to find that thing.
Look at the ejection from the back of the barrel. It's so cool.
Look at that fragmentation pattern. All right, now we'll be at 50,000.
Oh, it's gonna get clouded. The det cord's gonna.
Oh, no.
Oh!
No, you can see it ruptured right there, yeah.
It's bulging.
You can see it ruptured, yeah, it's perfect.
Oh,
and it's
yeah.
right where the explosive is packed.
That camera's gonna get it for sure.
Yeah. 375,000 frames per second.
Oh, that's it.
I got it.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
So you can see we're forming that like vapor cloud right there.
Yeah.
That's where the metal
That's
is.
the fracture line right there. The paint is just vaporized into nothing. Dude, that is what we wanted to see with the shotgun.
Yep.
And we just got it perfectly on the 50 cal.
Love it.
My goodness.
Well, good job. That was exactly what we wanted.
Absolutely. Yeah, like I say, if you need something explosive and done in a particular
It
way,
is
I'm
so
the guy.
good that we don't have to fly home. It's like Gandalf's staff.
It's what we wanted with the shotgun, and then we made the shotgun quite literally just no longer exist on an atomic level, basically.
Well, excellent idea on the plastic.
Stick this in my lathe, cut it off right there, so it's a little bit more compact, and that's a desk piece if I've ever seen one. This is instead of a silencer, it's a loudener.
Well, mission success.
Yeah,
That is what we wanted to do months ago. That is so cool.
it's perfect.
Legit
Thank you.
banana.
I love it so much. That was it for the Noreen. You probably all knew this was coming. We kind of alluded to it when we used some sketchy ammunition that it was in fact set for destruction. It has now been destroyed.
Good stuff.
Yeah, exactly what I wanted. I love it.
Well, we appreciate your expertise in helping us do these last multiple episodes since we've been down here. So,
Oh no, like, it was a blast. I was like having a great time. Man.
literally, get it?
Yeah, no,
Blast.
yeah.
I don't know where in the series this will go, but we've exploded tons of propane up to 100 pounds. Set shape charges into a tungsten cube, and that may or may not have broken it. So thanks again for having us out.
Hey, you are always welcome to come
We,
down here. If you come down to the summertime, be warned, it's a little warm down here.
It's warm right now, and it's December. Well, yeah, head over to Ordnance Lab if you want to see more explosive stuff. We're probably going to get back to our usual gun stuff for a bit. I think this was a good amount of explosives for now. Thanks for watching, and hopefully we'll see you in the next video. You're not going to break that, are you? Oh, perfect. Hell yeah.